So guys, I found this TV at the basement. You can have a look. Okay, it's pretty light. This is pretty old. I don't know, I'm not sure. Maybe from 2004 and 2005. This is from this brand, TELE brand. This is the display. This is a black and white monochrome display. I think it's 5.5 inch or something. TV, these knobs are for tuning. It says it's for volume. You can adjust it. And here you can switch between radio and TV. And this is, and here it says VHF low and UHF high. Here it says VHF low and UHF high. I don't exactly know what it means. Here it says DC 12 volt input. This is the power input. This is to connect the phone, guess, and this is the audiovisual connector. This thing, and these are for these are the knobs to adjust the contrast, brightness. Yeah, here is the caution. It says risk of electric shock, do not open. Here's the antenna for this thing. Because back in the days you use antennas. Oh, I did something wrong, I guess. Look at that. Oh no. Okay, let's just put it back right here. And yeah, this is the antenna. And I think this is the speaker. Let's okay. These are the knobs. And this is the cover that was lost, but it doesn't fit in this knob. This one fits well. Just have to put a proper angle and align it with the notch. So I'm not sure if it works or not. We'll try that. We'll try to open this thing and we'll try to power it on. Here are this is the model number is TV. Model number is TV509R. This is this channel system, all the specification and information. And yeah, the most surprising thing about this TV that I found is that it can run on batteries. And you have to just remove this cover, and here you have the battery slots. You can put your battery. It says something. It says DC 1.5 volts into 10 cells. You have to put 10 cells in this thing, which is a lot. And that's pretty convenient. You know, this thing's portable and it can run on battery, so that's interesting. Now I also have an adapter for this thing. Here this is the adapter. It's super heavy. It says input to 40 volts AC, 50 hertz, 30 watts. This is 12 volt DC, 1000 milliamps. I'm pretty sure this is not the original adapter. It is not supposed to be this heavy. I guess the original adapter was failed. That's why we have to replace with this. We use the converter switches to convert it. Okay, so it's time to power it on. But before that, let's just try to open this protection. Can we do that? Can we open this? Yes. We've opened the protection, and I'm not sure what this is. I think this is the some kind of there used to be some kind of knob for changing the channel. I mean, it's pretty antique. I think it's from 2003 or 4. Yeah, let's put this back. Right, finally. So we'll try everything, and first thing first, we are going to connect the cables, and let's connect to this thing, the power adapter. Okay, now for the, I don't know if you have the audio video cable, we have the HDMI cable nowadays, but back in the days, we use the audio and video cable. Alright, so I've connected the television with, this thing was huge, so I have to use the extension cord. And as you can see, the side profile and the AV cables are attached. So it was a mess to start this thing because the cable was too short, so I have to use this tool. And okay, let's power this on. Okay, I'm not sure if this antenna will work, but okay. So I've connected this with the wired television line that we have. So okay. Okay, so the power button, you think this is volume on and off, but this also acts as a power button. So what you have to do is you have to slide it here, and you'll hear a click sound. Okay, and now this TV will open by fading effect. This TV will like fade, slowly open. Look at that. Okay, so yeah, this thing, and you have to have the appropriate cable connection to see the what you regularly use. I have to convert the HDMI to AV to use this thing, and yeah, I've tried to change these knobs, but this thing doesn't work because we're not using the antenna, or we're not fine-tuning it. Nowadays we just get our connection from the cable network provider, and then we can see. So it's all up to them. We don't have to fine-tune our network. But it's pretty amazing to see that it still works, and it gives the amazing nostalgic feeling. Okay, let's see this what the switches do, like this radio TV switch, what this thing do. Let's see. Okay, so we can hear only audio and the screen goes off. Okay, and then if I click on radio, okay, and then we click on TV, so it will slowly open. Yeah, this thing slowly opens. And then what this thing do, what this button do, let's just go. Okay, it does nothing. It does nothing. Okay, all right. So yeah, this thing is pretty dusty. Let me remove this. And now you can see clear television, black and white, old days, 1970s, 60s. And I don't know what this thing do either. It doesn't do anything. This is like a small screen in which you can watch your TV. But I'm pretty sure it was very useful. Everything was very useful back in the days. So I hope you enjoyed this video and really like this TV. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you so much for watching.